Today we're going to be making these mouth-watering salmon bowls that I've seen all over TikTok. I want to test it out, but with my own spin. Bear with me because I did film this video on my iPhone. Okay, so I bought this salmon from Trader Joe's, and I'm just starting off by cutting it into little cubes. There we go, there's me cutting it up, and that's the finished product. The next thing you want to do is put them in a bowl, and you want to season and oil them up. It's up to you which seasonings you choose to use. I use these ones with the mixture of a little olive oil. Going to add in a squeeze of lemon. Next, I'm going to put them in the air fryer until they're nice and crispy. While that cooks, I'm going to work on my base, which happens to be couscous. You could also use rice, salad, anything you'd like, but I just chose couscous. It is now time to assemble and choose the veggies for your bowl. I chose lettuce, carrots, onion, green onion, and cucumber, and of course the couscous on the bottom. For the sauce, typically these bowls consist of mayo, but I'm not a mayo girl, so I made my own sauce that consists of sesame oil, soy sauce, and agave, and it was so delicious. And there you have your finished salmon bowl.